हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन और यूटीआई और सिस्टाइटिस। इन्फेक्शन ऑफ यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट, renal pelvis, ureters, urethra and bladder by microorganisms that either ascends from the urethra. 95% of cases are that spread to the kidney from the bloodstream. 5%. Presence of pathogenic microorganism in the urinary tract. More than 3 cube bacterial per ml urine. More than 10 cube bacterial per ml urine. Most common site is cystitis, that is inflammation of urinary bladder, and urethritis by ascending infection. Cystitis is more common in women because shorter urethra and location of urethra close to anus. Sexually active and pregnant women are more susceptible to UTI. Urethritis is commonly associated with STI like gonorrhea and chlamydial infection in males. Causes: most common bacteria responsible for UTI is E. coli 80 to 86%. Others are Pseudomonas, Serratia, Proteus, Enterobacter. These are usually commensal in GIT. In young women, Staphylococcus saprophyticus is also common in men with prostate disease. Enterococci are often responsible. Next is clinical manifestations: burning sensation on micturition or urination, frequency, urgency and inability to void. Next is low abdominal discomfort, and next one symptom is nocturia, means excessive or frequent urination after going to bed, may be caused by excessive fluid intake, congestive heart failure, uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, urinary tract infections, disease of the prostate, impaired renal function, and or the use of diuretics. Next one is nocturnal enuresis or bedwetting, urinary incontinence during the night. And next one symptom is fever and chills, and cloudy, dark, foul smelling urine is seen in UTI. Next one is diagnosis: urinalysis obtained either as a midstream clean catch or catheterized specimen into sterile container. Presence of WBC in urine: the presence of more than 8 to 10 WBC per HPF, means higher power field, or spun urine, or count greater than 1 lakh cells per mm cube in urine strongly suggest UTI. Increase specific gravity and pH of urine. Urine culture to determine the presence of microorganism for UTI and the optimal antibiotic therapy. Next one is management of UTI. Administer antibiotic, sulfa drug, methoxazole, nitrofurantoin nitrofurantoin and cephalosporins are quinolones at least 14 days. Advised to drink a glass of water and void after intercourse. Teach female client for good perineal care. Maintain acidic urine pH. pH is 5.5 by an acid rash diet. Instruct to void every 2 to 3 hours and encourage fluid intake up to 3 liters per day.